Neat. I mean, cool.
There they are.
How do we get the pollen pods?
Well, normally you'd just climb up and grab them.
Oh, that's a pretty gigantic, enormous tree. But this is an adventure, right? Hey, I did it!
Chiku, be careful.
Wow! Badou, help! What are we doing here, Bill?
You're back. The pollen worked.
Huh?
I'll explain everything. Just grab as many pollen pods as you can. Bet the squirt sprayers are full of forget-me-not water. One spritz to the face, and we'll lose our memories. We need a distraction.
You got it, Bill. Get inside and save everybody. Hey, you! Can't get me!
Ah, there he is! Spritz him!
Oh, my.
Huh? Hey!
My word, this is most irregular.
Pappy, Nana, don't you remember anything? You've been married for years. You're the real king and queen.
He's lying! Sprit him!
You love each other. You must remember that.
Your name is on the tip of my trunk.
Who am I?
How clumsy of me. Thank you. You are...
I'm Badou.
Oh, thank you, my love. And thank you, Badou.
Yay! Woohoo!
That's the last of the forget-me-nots. We'll have to make sure they don't grow back here.
Allow me to push the cart, Your Majesty.
Badou, my uncle forgetting to be mean is kind of weird.
We'll pick more pollen pods for him and the rest of Celestville. More forget-me-nuts, Pappy?
No, flowers for your Nana, just so she doesn't forget me.
That's so sweet. Your Pappy and Nana are best friends.
Just like us.
49 бөлімнің соңы. Фильм Қазақстан оту телеарнасы тасысы ойынша алала тастаған 2015 жыл.